Hi, I'm Marge. Welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. How can we tell if our bird is already full? If the bird is day 20 or less, its body is not yet fully covered with feathers. If you can still see these area, check if they have formed a bubble on each. If your answer is yes, then the bird may be full. You can also check the breast part where their crop or booty is located. If it's already big, you may stop feeding the bird. If your bird can already walk, like Budgie, when full, she just walks away. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please click the bell to be notified for new videos.